Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, where we bring you the latest updates on upcoming smartphones. Today, we're exploring the leaks and rumors surrounding Google's highly anticipated Pixel 9 series. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the exciting details. Leaks and hands-on previews. Last week, leaks surfaced about the standard Google Pixel 9, but now, all eyes are on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Recently, TikTok showcased two quick hands-on videos of the Pro XL, comparing it first with the Pixel 9 and then with Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Launch details and surprises. Google has surprised us with an early unveiling event scheduled for August 13th, 2 months ahead of their usual timeline. This move aims to combat leaks, but the leaks keep coming strong. Product lineup and successors. The Pixel 9 will succeed the Pixel 8, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will take over from the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro combines the Pro XL's internals into a compact form factor, and there's even a Pixel 9 Pro Fold as the successor to the original Pixel Fold. Pricing insights. Recent leaks have revealed pricing details, showing mixed trends with some prices unchanged from last year, while others see significant increases. This reflects Samsung's recent strategies with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Outro? And there you have it. That wraps up our sneak peek into the Google Pixel 9 series. Which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more updates on the latest tech trends and releases. Stay tuned and stay updated until next time.